let's go to the next question. Example 2, sketch the transformation techniques and find its domain and range. So this is the question here. So let's identify the basic graph y equal to log base half x. So we know that the basic graph is this graph here. You have vertical asymptote here at x equal to 0, and then the graph is going down, and you can give at least 2 points. So let's fill in 1 0. So here is a 1. Since our a is half, so let's fill in half 1, and this is 1 0. Now let us do the mind map. What is our action plan? What do we want to do after this? So first of all, let's find, do we have any plus or minus inside the function? So we have this one, plus 1. So this should be our first transformation, which is shift left by 1 unit. Second, let's find whether we have minus inside or minus outside. So we have minus inside here and also have minus outside, meaning that we will have reflection about y-axis and also we will have reflection about x-axis. And then let's find, do we have any multiply inside or multiply outside? We don't have any of it, so we don't have any stretch or compress. And finally, we have plus 1 here, meaning that we have the final transformation shift up, 1. So now from the basic graph, let us draw one by one. The first one, we want to shift left by 1 unit. So first of all, we must change our vertical asymptote here. Go to the left, so this is x equal to minus 1. And then just draw the graph will go down. So from the basic graph 1 0, go to the left by 1, so it becomes 0 0. And from half 1, go to the left by 1, so it becomes minus half 1. So now let's go to the second transformation, which is reflect about y-axis. So from this graph here, let's reflect our vertical asymptote. So from x equal to minus 1, now it becomes x equal to 1. So how about the graph here? Okay, since this is your mirror, this part here will go to the right, this right part here will go to the left. So this is your new graph, and then let's change our coordinate from minus half 1, now it becomes half 1. From 0 0, it will stay here, 0 0. Now let's go to the third transformation, reflect about x-axis. So for reflection about x-axis, the vertical asymptote wouldn't change. This is still x equal to 1, but only the graph will change, alright? So since your x-axis is the mirror, so this upper part here will reflect it down here, and this lower part here will goes up. So this is your new graph. Let's fill in the coordinate. 0 0 wouldn't change. Half 1 will go down. Half minus 1. And finally, we want to do the fourth step, which is shift up by 1 unit. So when you shift up, the vertical asymptote doesn't change. It will still stays here. Vertical asymptote is x equal to 1, and only this graph here will go up a bit. Alright, so just draw the new graph. And then let's change the coordinate from half minus 1, now it's half 0. From 0 0, now it is 0 1. So that's it. This is our final graph. Make sure you give the domain and range. So the domain is from minus infinity, and we must stop here at 1. So it is minus infinity until 1 not included. And for the range, it is all real number.